welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you something about the Tower Bridge known as London Bridge. You know the bridge, the London Bridge, it's a nice and beautiful architecture. I am going to show you the bridge opening, how they used to do it. There were 3 types. One of them were charcoal and the other one is oil, and the last one is electric. Now in these days, they only use electric ones. Now you can see here clearly. Now I'm showing you the engine room of the London Bridge. Here you can see three types of machinery in the London Bridge. Don't skip the video because there is actually a part of the video. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you how the London Bridge was made. Thanks for watching. Bye my dear friends, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.